whole of them. Man, I beg no friend from none of them. Buy about the whole of them.
Welcome to Linefoot TV at the right place, so let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell. Bless hello and greetings, my viewers and subscribers. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Blessed Friday. Big up everybody on the platform. We don't know. Life is the greatest. So cherish each moment. We can't start the vlog without saying that. Saying so. Big up anyone of their guidance and protection. Wally love saying. Yes, my viewers and subscribers. Now, if you're new to the channel, welcome, make yourself at home. So I say, please consider to subscribe and click the bell so you don't miss a content when we drop one. And be active in the comment section if you choose so. Yeah, man. Yes, my viewers and subscribers, coming up in this vlog is a follower and regulating to Sizzla and DJ Khalid. And you know, me to give my opinion and my views. I said, I think it's more deeper than that something, but we shall all hear one day, hopefully, you know. And for now, I'll be a speculation I go on, see? So I got some more footage. I never see the footage seeing, so I'm going to break it down because me hear Sizzla say something like I say Fire King and them thing there. So I wonder if him and Capleton good or one Fire King mean or the King of Fire and a Capleton. So I say, so I don't know. But I don't know, DJ Khalid is surrounded around Capleton, Bounty Killer, Buju, Zine, yeah, Sizzla, you know what I mean, and them man that help groom Khalid in the business. Dancehall, reggae, at Jamaica. I don't know Jamaica music, international, worldwide, you know. Zine. So what I'm gonna do, I play the video, the clips, and stop and interject. Seeing it's like a review, so yeah, man, we go straight to Night Star, cause trust me, the whole world attack, you know, and you know, we have to look on it both ways. I think it's something deep into this scene, but anyway, let's get into it.
Assad the boss. Assad the boss. Bun that, you insult me. You're not the best, you're the worst.
Some of you and subscribers, they say yes, Sizzla paying highly respect to the son of Khalid, Zine Assad. Zine and the man say, yo, Assad are the boss, not you. But we're the best. You're the worst. Zine. So something is into something. I don't think it's just a pluck. I'm still hold on to that. That's my opinion. I think something deep more into it, isn't it?
Oh, you feel like DJ Khalid can style Sizzla. And me boss you, man. August Town boss you. You're joking.
Yes, so you hear Sizzla say, well, you feel like I can style Sizzla and me boss you. August Town boss you. Zine, I don't know them have the history from way back when. You got to me and say, likewise with the Bounty Killer them, and you know? Yeah, so something is in a go on the pipeline for a long time, and this plaque here, kick it off. That is my view.
More fire upon that. But now Fire King and fire this. Show you what go on. Bun, wrong plaque you send, come give it.
Viewers and subscribers, this is where my 2 ears got a rose. Me wonder if Sizzla and Capleton good, because when him say both on Fire King and fire that, I'm showing the real fire. Zine, who's the Fire King? Who's the King of Fire? And Capleton? So I wonder if them good or not, or why the speech they make. I know say I know Khalid are the Fire King, so I don't know. Let me ask you, you see me? I don't know if some differentiation or some disagreement go on, or some favoritism go on within the collaboration and the business agreement. I don't know, but I don't know. I ask you to start.
DJ Khalid, man, you insulted me, man. You insult Jamaica.
Wow. Wall at Khalid.
So there it is again, you Sizzla say you insult me, man, you insult Jamaica. Zine, wall that at the plaque. You get my little small writing with his name and no picture. So I think that's what triggered off Sizzla, because remember them a close, good business partner and friendship. Zine. So something is into something.
Everything about.
What? I rather accept this as my plaque, man. Babies are innocent. This is my godchild right here, okay? Rastafari. Put this in my studio, please.
Okay, my viewers and subscribers. So again, you hear Sizzla say, babies are innocent. This is my godchild. Sizzla is the godfather of Assad. And for someone to make you a godparent of their child, there must be some respect and good friendship. You see me? Yes, so Sizzla said the wrong plaque you send come give me, and I rather accept, the Assad picture as the plaque. Something is into something, my viewers and subscribers. I don't think it's just a plaque. Some go around thing are going on from long time, and the songs them sell much million copies, and now Sizzla gonna get plaque without his picture, and I look his name was written in a small writing once. That is what she got him off, I think. You know what I say? But I don't know, there's different speculations out there. Let me know what you think, guys, and ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you very much.
Selassie bless you. What?
The viewers and subscribers, so you see how Sizzla end the video. Say Selassie bless you. See the man send the picture of Assad, who's the son of DJ Khalid, in his studio. So the man show me the godfather of him, better maybe accept him but not the plaque. See the man say your style me, this Jamaica. See? Yes. So this is, as you can see on the screen, this is one of the plaque with the writing. See? Presented to Sizzla to commemorate RIAA Platinum certification of more than 1 million copies. See? Yes. So that is one of the plaque presented to Sizzla. That Whitney, So why Sizzla artist name, picture? Why the artist picture never did it? You get me? Why the artist picture wasn't there? See? And that trigger off Sizzla Kalonji. You get me? And these plaques, you can make amendment to them. I think them say about 500 US or 4 can make amendments to it. So did Khalid went ahead and make amendments and put fitting picture? Because the company them who presented the plaque, them supposed to put the artist picture, the artist image, because they say presented to Sizzla. Did DJ Khalid paid and made amendments for his picture to go there with his son? I think that went wrong and trigger off Sizzla head. Look at the next plaque now. Look, go down, you see what it say? Grateful. 2 times platinum album. And I can't see if nothing for Sizzla there. I don't see no name, I don't see no picture, nothing. Zine, DJ Khalid upon it and mute. 2-time platinum album. That means it sell platinum twice. Get me? I send that go get Kalonji with nothing on it, no picture of Kalonji, nothing at all name. Must trigger me that trigger off as well. Me that chip, my editor chip. You see me? So Sizzla Kalonji took his action in his way by burning them and breaking them up. I would do the same thing. This 2-time platinum here, we don't know if Sizzla did get no monetary beneficiary from it. Zine, because yes, Sizzla said a long time you should have sent them here. Long time. I know you just have sent them long time. That means Sizzla up to date with him thing. Remember say Sizzla educated youth, brother, king, and the man up to date with him thing, the man maybe a long time I observe and I pray. I said, hey, the man say at one point Sizzla said a long time you should have sent them here. Zine, I come send this now with no picture and I look me never can see my name. Viewers and subscribers, let me know what you guys think. You know what I mean? There's several different opinions out there. People are say this and people are say that. But that's my belief. Something way deeper than just the plaque. And yes, Sizzla say a long time you should have sent them here. You just have send them now and no picture of my name. You can hardly see it and all of them things there. You see me? But most of all, what Sizzla say about fire king and fire that. Straight away I say, must keep it on him attack. See, man keep it on good, me don't know, but why would he state that? DJ Khalid is not no fire king. You know what I mean? Yes, so oh boy. But Sizzla but I saw Sizzla react and maybe we do the same too, because what does it take a man to sell his soul to gain the world? Enough people do enough thing. You know what I mean? And then it backlash on them. The ancestors beat them, as your footer I could have said. You see me? So yeah, let me know what you think, my viewers and subscribers in the comment section. You see me? Sizzla show respect. He's the godfather of DJ Khalid's son. So big respect to the son. A long time them have come from way back them forward. Saying so for Sizzla to do this is something deep. You see me? Maybe him could have go up on the phone and one phone call and them thing there, but phone call can't manage this. Something way deeper where we don't know. You see me? I say, yeah man.
My fire burn the whole of them. Man, I beg no friend from none of them. My fire burn the whole of them.
Thanks for watching Lionfoot TV.